I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing grease and loose particles so sanding actually works. Clean with a 50/50 water and mild soap, then dry with a microfiber. Once done, mask trim, knobs, and seals to avoid accidental abrasion. You will use 400 grit wet/dry sandpaper folded to a compact pad. This gives control and prevents gouging. Press lightly and keep the surface barely wet. Wet sanding reduces heat and stops metal dust from embedding. Start sanding along the grain, not across it, to make scratches removable. You continue by shifting grit gradually. Once the 400 marks look uniform, move to 800, then to 1200. This staged refinement removes the coarse scratch and blends the finish. Always sand in the same grain direction. Make sure the cooktop stays wet so swarf flushes away, and pause to rinse and inspect under bright light. Maintain even, light pressure. Heavy pressure creates new defects. If the pad clogs, replace or rinse it. This repeated, patient process is what restores smoothness and removes visible scratches. You finish by drying the area and applying a fine metal polish or cerium oxide paste with a clean microfiber. This restores luster and hides microabrasions. Buff gently in the grain direction until the sheen matches surrounding metal, then remove residue and inspect under angled light. Make sure seals and controls are free of polish. If a deep gouge still shows after 1200 grit and polishing, stop. Do not sand further. Consider professional resurfacing or replacement. Troubleshooting tip: visible crosshatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.